wait to get adopted. I hope the house is nice.
Oh, she'll be here any minute.
Oh, I hope she likes us.
I really hope my parents are sweet.
Oh, she's here.
Ooh. Welcome home.
Ah! Oh no, I've been adopted by monsters. My room's so messy. Guess it's time to clean up.
Lily, what are you doing?
Just trying to clean my room.
Clean? Let's add some more spooky stuff.
Actually, this stuff is really cool. Let's do it.
Your room looks great.
I think it's missing something. Oh, perfect. Now go away, Mom. I want to be alone.
Oh, daughters.
Ooh, this is a pretty color. Oh, what's that smell? Oh, it smells so bad.
1, 2. What's after 2?
Oh, Mom, Dad, you stink.
Oh, sorry, honey. We're exercising.
And we're also undead.
I don't feel too good.
Huh? Do you need any medicine?
There's gotta be a way to fix this. Ooh, I have an idea. Hey, Mom and Dad.
Are you feeling better, hon?
Why are you wearing a tree?
Yeah, I feel great. And I smell good. Can I join you guys?
Sure.
This house has so many rooms. Morning, what's in here? Whoa! Where am I? Where you belong, Lily. Come here. We have all the sour candy you can eat. I don't even like sour candy. Sorry, I meant we have chicken nuggets and fries. Chicken nuggets and fries? Give me! Yes, come here. Chicken nuggets and fries?
Lily, we're going
Oh,
home.
I want the fries! Oh,
That was close.
I want the chicken nuggets!
Hey, Lily, want to learn some magic?
Sure, Mom, but how?
Or learn some spells from this book.
Oh, this is cool. But what am I supposed to do with this?
Make me a brain. I'm really hungry. Aim for my hands.
Okay.
Lily.
Oh,
Can you help me pick up my marbles? Ah. Huh? Oh, my brain's working again. Oh, books. Oh, interesting.
Are you okay, Dad?
brains.
Oh no! She's trying to get my new brain! You have to reverse the spell!
Okay.
Oh, goodbye, brain! Huh?
Huh? What happened?
Oh, can you help me pick up my marbles?
Anything for you, hon.
What's for dinner, Mom?
Today we're having my favorite, brains and earthworms.
Earthworms.
Brains and earthworms?
Oh, do you want something else, Lily?
No, that sounds good.
Oh, great, because I got these worms from the garden.
And I got this brain from eBay.
Excuse me. Oh, it can't be that bad. I mean, what do brains and worms taste like? Oh, bacon and eggs? That sounds good.
Lily, time to eat.
Coming!
Hope you're hungry, Lily.
I sure am.
Here's your dinner.
Ooh! Oh, this isn't worms and brains.
No, it's just gummies and Oreos.
You don't really think we would give you brains and worms?
Hey guys, do you want to play some football?
Oh, what's wrong with that?
He's out of energy. He just needs to charge.
How do we do that?
I just gotta plug him in.
Okay.
Alright, turn it on.
Huh? It doesn't work.
Out of juice. Oh, I know. Blow up some balloons, Lily.
What now?
We're gonna use static electricity to jumpstart your dad.
Whoa, cool! Look at my hair!
Now let's shock your dad.
Okay.
Oh, football!
Max, you're back!
Where's my football?
Halloween, best holiday ever. Oh! Let's get candy from there. Ooh, creepy doorbell. Trick or treat.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!